Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of other tutorials. So this is the look that I created using the Madison Beer Channel Surfing Morphe eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This is my second tutorial using this palette, and I'm falling more in love with it every single time. The shades are super blendable, super pigmented, so easy to work with, super impressed. I'm really loving this Madison Beer collab. So yeah, this is just a little fall smoky eye that I created using the Madison Beer Morphe palette. I'm just gonna jump right into the tutorial. First, I'm gonna take a Sigma E35 and go with the shade 0, which is that beautiful warm brown shade. I'm gonna make this my transition shade. So pigmented and so blendable. So I'm just blending this all over the crease, building up the transition shades. I'm going to take a small ColourPop E19 and go with the shade Life Support, which is that dark maroon. I'm going to blend this right into the crease. Wow, these shades blend so nice. I love it. Cosmos, which is this beautiful, very glittery, it's beautiful. This beautiful purple shimmer. I'll wet the ColourPop E18 with some pretty fresh ColourPop setting spray. Oh wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Gonna take this a little up in the crease. And that is done. I'm gonna take a ColourPop E21 and go with the black in the shade, which is Rabbit Hole. I'm just gonna pack that on the outer. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful dark black. Very pigmented, very rich. I'm just gonna blend this up and out. I'm gonna take the shade Pixie with my finger and pat that between the dark and the shimmer. Kind of tone down that black. And then I'm going to take a very skinny Morphe JH40 and go with the shade Lifesaver and blend that in the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna pick up some of that black and just dust that on the outer. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the Too Faced Turn Up the Light palette in the shade Glow. I use the Kat Von D eyeliner. Blend out this area because I don't like the way this is looking. You know, when it's like too round or something, it's not. A white rabbit and highlight my brow bone. So pigmented. I'm gonna apply a small coat of mascara and then some false lashes. So I applied the Ardell 854 Fox Mink lashes. I'm gonna go in with some Kat Von D black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. Apply some bottom lash mascara. And then that is how I completed this look. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.